young lady. How old are you? 20? Never mind. What, are you in college? Are you in school?
Yeah.
What are you studying?
House science.
House sciences? Health sciences. Okay. That's gonna be a legitimate group. Psychiatry? Well, fucking say that, nerd. You know what I mean? Like, I didn't go to college. Clearly. You go to med school after this?
Yeah.
Are y'all in med school?
Engineering.
Got us the battle of progressive women. Man, this is what I like to see. Man, y'all have to kiss or something. Well, that's loyalty. It sounds like if he's fucking anybody, he should be the mother of his child, no? Am I crazy for this one? It kind of sounds like you're breaking up a family. He's still in his house with his wife and his baby. The audacity of this man to live happily ever after. What's the problem? He doesn't fuck with her?
No, he said he don't fuck with her, but he's lying. I think he's lying.
Yes, he's lying. That's what we call a blatant lie. I mean, maybe he shouldn't be dating you on the side if he is actually interested in her. I will say that. How long have you been seeing him for? 4 months. That's tough. You know what? This is a little too early to be having this many red flags, to be honest. Like this big of a problem this early on in the relationship, it might not work out. So my best advice would be to either, I'd say, break up with them or also get pregnant. Play this bitch's game, okay?
He was FaceTiming her the other day, and she was breastfeeding at the same time.
Oh, that's hot. Damn. How were they?
It sounds like you do something very well that she doesn't.
Like raise her child? Maybe you might be the best mom for this situation. I don't know. Man, this is the coolest episode of Dr. Phil I've ever been on. This shit is all over the place. By the way, this isn't normally how this crowd work goes. Usually someone will be like, they wear flip-flops or something silly, but y'all are like, no, my life is in pieces.
First of all, you don't gotta out him like he's not sitting right next to you, okay? You don't gotta do that. Have you tried being a whore on Instagram? It's fucking lit, probably. Instagram and social media is setting such an unrealistic expectation for all women out there. Like, you guys really have to compete with, like, porn stars on every fucking platform. Step it up. I don't know what to tell you. The world is a dark place, okay? Sex sells and violence is pretty much always the answer. I don't know what else you guys want me to tell you. What do you do for work here in San Jose? He can talk for himself. You're in sales? Oh shit, what do you sell? You work for Xerox? What's that? Printers? There's still printers? Holy shit. Do you fix printers? You make them? You ship them? You sell them? How the fuck do you sell printers? What's the sales mechanism? Hey, you see this shit right here? How would you like that on paper? You see, if you look at orders on Instagram, they're only this big. What we can do for you, we can put this on a goddamn poster board, a little 10 by 12, and now you got titties on a fat head. I look good, man. I got dressed up. Got a haircut. It's not alopecia, is it?
Make sure. You never know how sensitive someone's gonna be, man. So he's been staring at the back of your do-rag for the past 5 minutes. Just scratching his head like, fuck that smart. I gotta know. You don't see him in a do-rag in 2 days. Oh, did it? Yeah, you wouldn't, wouldn't you? You're speaking in bourbon right now. Is it really? Oh, you can be annoying in Mexican too. You have a girlfriend? Oh man, no dude wants to fuck you. I guess you have to. Did I win? Oh, good. I got dressed up. Got a haircut.
Oh, small. Super ball. It's not alopecia, is it?
Make sure. Make sure. You never know. You never know how sensitive somebody's gonna be, man. Because he's been staring at the back of your do-rag for the past 5 minutes. Just scratching his head like, fuck that smart. I gotta. You don't see him in a do-rag in 2 days.
You guys are single as well? Hell yeah, that was sad. As of yesterday? You're single as of yesterday. What? Oh fuck, what happened? He fucked a grandma? How fine was his grandma? You know what I mean? Wait, was she really a grandma? Well, this is Florida. You can be a grandma like 35. You know what I mean? It's very doable. It's actually not crazy. So you read the text messages, and she was like, "Come over for dinner around 4." And do you know how he met her? Work? Oh. Okay. Where do they work? He's a cop? Wait, was she also a cop? No, she was just a lady? Wow. He visited her house on a call? Help! I've fallen and I can't get up! This is the first dude to ever get some pussy via life alert. This is amazing. Wow. Well, sounds like a hero to me. I hope you just get ran through by the entire fire department. I hope you get a calendar of dick. January, February, March, April.
Hold it.
Is my ex here? What the fuck? Who says small dick? Okay, alright, well, first of all, what's small? I need a measurement from the base. You tell me when. Tell me when to stop. Ready? Tell me when to stop. Just say you fuck black guys. Just say it. Shit, bitch, like this, how are you sitting down? Oh my god! Ew! Oh my god, bitch, lower your standards. Jesus, I don't know what's higher at this point, your standards or your cervix. Jesus Christ. So you mean like you need above like 8 inches? Has to be above 8? Oh my god, what if he's like really funny? Is this a guy you dated recently?
I'm married.
You're married to, oh I'm sorry, you're married to a dude with a small dick. What? Oh, with a giant dick. What's the ethnicity of your husband?
Why?
He's white? He's what? Lucky? Is that what you said? Alright, bitch, you're not gonna dick shame me, okay? If I know anything about hoes in Nashville, I bet your pussy smell like Copenhagen long cut, okay? You got a dick shame me. Just because you fuck all the Grizzlies don't mean I'm charming.